The 2027 Chevrolet Trax is coming with a front-to-back refresh that directly targets every complaint owners have been raising since the current generation launched. If you've loved the Trax's price and practicality, but felt it was falling just short in a few key areas, this update is built around exactly that frustration. Most mid-cycle refreshes amount to a new color and a reshuffled trim list, but what Chevrolet is doing with the 2027 Trax goes well beyond that, and the details are worth paying attention to. Mid-cycle refresh. The current generation of the Chevy Trax arrived as a genuine surprise. Few expected an entry-level subcompact to look this good, feel this roomy, or carry such a competitive price. And by most accounts, it has delivered. Sales have been solid, owner satisfaction scores are strong, and the overall package still holds up well against the competition. Still, time moves fast in this segment. The current Trax has now been around long enough for a mid-cycle update, and General Motors is making the most of that opportunity. What's coming isn't just a trim shuffle or a new color pack. A meaningful batch of updates is in the pipeline. Fresh styling, new features, and targeted improvements across the board. And the place where those changes are going to hit hardest? The exterior, because the 2027 Trax is arriving with a front-to-back redesign that nobody saw coming at this price point. New styling. Fresh photos of the 2027 Trax have already surfaced, and the design direction is clear. Chevrolet isn't walking away from what made the current model attractive. The proportions stay largely the same, but nearly everything on both ends of the vehicle is getting reworked. Up front, the fascia is moving toward a more squared-off, upright look. The vertical lighting signature that defines the current model is transitioning to a more horizontal layout, which gives the front end a wider, more planted presence. The headlights have been repositioned higher on the fascia, now arranged in a two-lamp, side-by-side configuration. A new grille mesh rounds out the front redesign, with the overall look drawing comparisons to the updated Chevy Blazer, which isn't a bad comparison to draw. There's something worth pointing out here. A lot of current Trax owners have pointed to the rear end as the one area where the design falls a little flat. Taillights that feel too narrow, too spread apart, not quite in sync with that sharp front fascia. The 2027 is fixing that. New taillights are adopting a dual-level lighting signature, two distinct light strips that create a more layered, premium-feeling appearance. The reverse lights are moving closer to the center of the rear fascia, suggesting a wider and more horizontal layout overall. The rear bumper is also being revised. Taken together, this is a meaningful visual update front to back. Not a nip and tuck, but a genuine freshening that's going to make the 2027 stand out on the road. A new alloy wheel design is also part of the package, completing a refresh that touches the Trax from every angle. But a sharper exterior only tells half the story, because what Chevrolet is doing with the feature set on the 2027 is where things get genuinely interesting. Updated features. Styling isn't the only thing getting attention with this update. The 2027 Trax is also coming with an expanded feature set, building on a cabin that already punches above its price point in terms of technology and convenience. The current Trax already offers an 11-inch touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a reasonable suite of driver assistance systems. What the 2027 model is going to add builds on that foundation. Specific details are still being kept close to the chest, but what's clear is that Chevrolet is using this mid-cycle as a chance to raise the bar. Not just cosmetically, but in terms of what the driver and passengers experience every time they get in. Anyone who has cross-shopped the Trax against the Honda HR-V or the Hyundai Kona knows the feeling. You find a vehicle you like at the right price, then you sit in Arrival and notice things. A slightly nicer touch point here, a more intuitive layout there, a feature you didn't know you wanted until it wasn't there. That gap is exactly what the 2027 feature update is targeting. Expect the kind of changes that make a real difference on a daily drive. Those feature upgrades are going to land in a cabin that's already one of the most practical in the segment, and the 2027 is making it even better. Interior design, spacious and practical. One of the strongest arguments for the current Trax has always been what's inside. For a vehicle with a small footprint, the cabin is genuinely roomy, and that's not changing with the 2027 update. Front seat occupants get a comfortable, well-positioned driving environment. Rear passengers have enough legroom to stay comfortable on longer trips, which isn't something every subcompact crossover can claim. The cargo area checks in at 25.6 cubic feet behind the second row and expands to 54.1 cubic feet with the rear seats folded. Figures that sit well above many class rivals. Think about what that actually means in practice. A couple of weeks' worth of groceries, a stroller, a set of golf clubs, luggage for a long weekend. The Trax handles that kind of real-life cargo load without asking you to play Tetris with the hatch. For a vehicle at this price, that's a genuine differentiator. The 2027 update is also bringing a revised dashboard layout. The instrument panel is getting a more open, integrated design. The pronounced gauge cluster hood of the current model appears to be giving way to something cleaner and more modern. Material quality is expected to improve alongside those structural changes, particularly at the contact points occupants interact with most. The center armrest, a frequent complaint in owner forums, is likely to benefit from this interior rethink as well. The result should be a cabin that feels more premium without drifting away from the practical, no-nonsense character that Trax buyers have always appreciated. A refined interior is a strong argument on its own, but it needs an equally capable powertrain behind it, and that's exactly what the 2027 is delivering. Powertrain, efficiency and focus. Under the hood, the 2027 Trax is carrying forward the same turbocharged 1.2-liter three-cylinder engine that powers the current lineup. 137 horsepower and 162 pound-feet of torque routed through a 6-speed automatic transmission to the front wheels. In practice, this setup gets the job done. Around town, the turbocharged unit delivers enough low-end pull to keep pace with traffic without any drama. Merging onto the highway takes a bit more commitment, but for the daily commute and weekend errands, it's a willing enough partner. Here's where a lot of buyers in this segment are getting quietly surprised. Running costs matter, and for anyone putting 12,000 to 15,000 miles a year on a daily driver, fuel economy isn't just a spec sheet number, it's a monthly budget line. The EPA rates the Trax at 30 miles per gallon combined, which is a solid figure for a front-wheel drive subcompact at this price point. Real-world testing has come in close to that mark, and at current fuel prices, that kind of efficiency translates to meaningful savings over ownership compared to thirstier alternatives in the segment. All-wheel drive remains off the table for the Trax. Buyers who need that capability will want to look at the Trailblazer. But for the majority of owners, the front-wheel drive setup paired with this engine is a sensible, cost-effective combination that keeps monthly expenses where they belong. And keeping expenses in check is exactly the right segue, because the 2027 Trax is arriving with a price tag that's going to make a lot of people take a very hard look at the competition. Release date and price. The 2027 Chevrolet Trax is in production preparation now, with a debut expected in line with the 2027 model year rollout. General Motors has committed $300 million to its South Korean manufacturing operations, where the Trax is built at the GM Changwon plant, a clear signal that this vehicle is getting serious investment, not just a cosmetic pass. On pricing, the current Trax starts at $21,700 for the base LS trim, with the lineup topping out around $25,400 for the most equipped configurations. The 2027 model is going to carry a modest price increase, which is expected given the scope of the updates, but modest is the key word here. The Trax is going to remain one of the strongest value propositions in the subcompact segment, a well-equipped, nicely styled crossover that doesn't ask buyers to stretch their budget to get something worth driving. The 2027 Chevrolet Trax is shaping up to be the version of this vehicle that a lot of buyers have been waiting for. A sharper exterior that addresses the one styling criticism that kept coming up, a more refined and better equipped cabin, and a powertrain that continues to make a strong case for itself at the fuel pump. All of it wrapped in a price that stays within reach of the buyers this vehicle is built for. General Motors isn't reinventing the Trax with this update, it's refining it deliberately and in the right places, which is often the harder thing to do well. The subcompact segment is more competitive than it has ever been, and the Trax is going into that fight with a stronger hand than it's held in a while. Still, the competition in the segment is extremely tough. There are so many great small crossovers that stand out in various ways, like the Subaru Crosstrek you can check out in our next video, impeccable all-wheel drive, strong off-road potential, and great overall practicality now come complemented by a modern hybrid powertrain that cements the Crosstrek's position as one of the class leaders.